hope you're keeping well and safe and have learnt lots of new skills. Remember, at this time, the way to keep safe is to keep a 2-metre distance from other people, and if you sneeze or cough, do it into a tissue or into the crook of your arm. Do it into the tissue is the best thing, and then you can catch it, bin it, kill it. That's the best way to deal with this virus. I'm also hoping that you're helping out at home. Mums and dads might be getting very stressed, you're all together, they're worried about lots of things. Make sure that you're following your learning at home, keeping to a bit of a timetable, doing your exercises. Help with jobs, where can you tidy up, put your toys away. And most of all, be kind to each other. Mr. Barr is now going to read to you the Easter story for our Easter Assembly.
Jesus had returned to Jerusalem. He asked his friends to find him a donkey. Jesus rode the donkey into the town of Jerusalem. The people gathered together. It was like a huge parade. They waved palm leaves as Jesus came down the street. Everyone was happy and excited.
Jesus, the King is risen. Jesus, the King is risen.
Jesus got angry when people were not using the temple properly. But some people didn't like Jesus. They were jealous of him and wanted him gone. Jesus and his friends had a very special dinner. He was very sad, as he knew that the people were plotting against him and that soon he would die. Jesus and his friends drank wine and ate bread. Jesus said it should remind them of him. After dinner, Jesus and his friends prayed all night in the Garden of Gethsemane. Judas kissed Jesus on the cheek. This was not a good thing. It was a sign to the guards. Judas was helping the guards to arrest Jesus. Jesus was taken away. Jesus was brought to see an important man called Pontius Pilate. Some people told Pilate that Jesus was evil and he should die. Jesus. Jesus died on the cross, and his friends came to put his body into the cave. This was the day we call Good Friday. On Sunday, when some of his friends went to the cave to see his body, they found that it was gone. Then they saw an angel who told them that all was well and Jesus was alive.
Sing a joyful song to celebrate. Sing a joyful song to celebrate. Jesus is alive, you know, he's risen from the dead.
And Easter would not be Easter at Hillstone if we didn't have our spring chicken.
We're now going to sing the spring chicken. Why don't you join in with us, sing and dance? In fact, get your mum and dad, anybody in your family to join in. And why don't you see if you can get your camera, film it, and if you can work out a way that we can actually see it, we'll see if we can put them all together and have a little bit of fun this Easter. Join in. Here we go.
One mother hen sat on 4 little eggs, keeping them warm in her little egg nest. Then one day she heard a crack, and a little voice said as the egg was hatched, I'm a spring chicken, I'm yellow and having a ball.